Friendship makes the jungle strong. Deer says, come and race with me. Elephant laughs happily. Through the forest near the stream, they make the happiest team. Deer and elephant, friends forever, playing, laughing in all weather. Jump and splash and sing along. Friendship makes the jungle strong. When the rain begins to fall, they dance together, big and small. Helping friends is what they do. Share